Now, after this longer range, however, as much time as it's gonna take, I'm still, of course, very sure that we're gonna move toward the upside at the end, even if we are in a bearish scenario. And that because bearish scenario is your wave B here, of course. We're talking about a wave B. The wave B has to finish up this wave C, right? Where you are in three waves, A, B, and a C here. And of course, you have already a very complex structure, wave A, finalizing major wave B and moving toward the downside. Basically, I'm talking here about this scenario, which is, of course, on the daily, is an expanding flat wave B, which it has to finish, of course, in this blue box, which we are very close to it anyway. And we are very close to the 130A fib level here. By taking, of course, this move to the upside, the 138, 126 can be reached very decisively. And we might, of course, unfold something very bearish as a big expanding flat ABC. Don't forget, this is your bear market, which is only a single move wave C. It might be, of course, aggressive towards the 50Ks or even 60Ks, I would say first. 66K can be very possible. And yeah, we might see from there a bull run for wave 3 after, of course, a wave 2 here. Wave 3, of course, unfolding for over 150K for Bitcoin, definitely. And in this case scenario, it's going to be a very fast bear market. Plus, what is beautiful in it, of course, it is expanding flat, meaning wave B, giving you a chance for new highs in Bitcoin, which is very nice, opportunity here. Next scenario, if we are still bullish and we're looking for to finalize a wave 5, you would like to see the price above the 130K. Meaning that you would like to see, of course, this same scenario that it might finish the wave B over there. But if we get 3 waves down, wave 4, wave 5, okay, we are bullish here. And we are, of course, with the final wave 5. Of course, we are there to top the main wave 1 here. You're looking for a new wave 2, therefore. Okay, so you have to be careful. You might be looking for a big wave 2 again. And of course, it might be a longer time than the scenario that we just mentioned. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking for right now as an answer. Of course, the 130K would be a key level, major key level, of course, as an answer between those two scenarios. Basically, if we are still ranging inside this blue zone here, that is, of course, a potential of a finished wave B, and we move toward the downside. This price action can, of course, expand as a wave D. Don't forget, still, confirmation to get out is 120K 900. Yeah, until then, we still ranging in sideways. If we want to take also a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance, we can see that Bitcoin dominance is still bleeding. Of course, we don't even yet see a clear finish yet for this wave 5 here. Well, okay, one more leg, still one more leg. So you have like kind of double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. Okay, so one more leg, I would say, can be very possible. And then we start to see, of course, a movement again a little bit for higher. And I'm expecting a little bit deeper rebound. And that because, of course, you have double 1 2 here. 1 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. I'm expecting at least to come back to the previous wave 4, which is a 0.23, probably here even less. Yeah, so here we go. Probably this blue zone is very likely to come back for it. At the same time, we might see Bitcoin moving also impulsively for that wave that we saw in the scenario, whether wave B, or even if it might be still looking for higher, it can go back for the wave 2 here, because you're gonna have 1 2 3 4 5, right? So you finish wave 1, wave 2. During the wave 2, Bitcoin can reach on the chart here, yeah, this fib level, which is above the 130K, yeah, for a wave 5. So those are the confluence that I see yet for Bitcoin. We're gonna see how this is going to unfold. That was it for the intraday. Let's watch this price action, the key levels, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.